Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be the next most selling foldable phone from Samsung as it get one of the biggest updates over the years, and now Samsung even tested a new feature on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Interestingly, there is a way to change the color on your Galaxy Z Flip 5, and we might see the bespoke edition on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Flip 5 will get every update except one. Top of the line Samsung smartphones used to get this feature called Samsung DeX to convert your phone into a workstation. Previous flip phones didn't have this feature, but Samsung will going to add this feature in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is Samsung's smallest phone to convert into a workstation, where now you can connect Flip 5 with a monitor or smart TV wirelessly or with HDMI adapter. There are a couple of more big updates, where if you are willing to get Galaxy Z Flip 5, you might know that getting a bigger outer display will make Samsung to black one side of a phone, so it blends into the display and the other half of the phone will come with color. Some also suggest it is not true, as only black color of the phone will get this feature and other phone colors will get the same color on both sides. Either way, chances are 50-50, and if it is coming with a different color, then we have a great news for you. Samsung might offer a bespoke edition on Galaxy Z Flip 5, and if not, then you can make your own one. How? Well, the new leak cases of Galaxy Z Flip 5 shows everything. These are colorful cases, and by using these you can make your own color combination on Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now you don't need Samsung to give you a bespoke edition. Instead, get a case and you are good to go. After getting these cases, we have more information on Galaxy Z Flip 5. First, if you look at the hinge part, it is very minimal, which indicates Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to come with a new hinge design, which will be a teardrop hinge just like a recently announced Pixel Fold, and by getting this new hinge design, you will be safe from everyday dust because phone will be flat folded. Are we going to get a crease on Flip 5? While looking at the design and a new hinge, Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with less visible crease compared to the Flip 4. There is a reason, as according to the rumors, they're also indicating Flip 5 will come with less visible crease. One of the most noticeable updates we are going to get on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the folder design of external display, which is much bigger than the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Just for numbers, Flip 5 will going to come with 3.4 inches cover display compared to the 1.9, and we're also going to get a 6.7 inches inner display. By getting this new cover display, Flip 5 camera shape is different. Before it was vertical, and now we are getting a horizontal camera layout on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with little to no change in the camera specs. Samsung is going to launch Galaxy Z Flip 5 ahead of time. First, it was second week of August, but now internet sources suggest Flip 5 will going to launch in the last week of July, and Samsung will start production in the early June. Finally, we don't need to worry about the performance of Galaxy Z Flip 5 as it already beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which you can check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.